Alright guys, so I have another Strapcode unboxing video. This time it is for a clasp that I ordered, and I'll explain why, and I'll make one whole video explaining why and piecing connecting the pieces together, or yeah, putting the pieces together. So this is actually a I don't want to destroy this because I love their container, the bubble wrap. Yeah, the package. So it is a clasp, and it is for this bracelet, because if you will notice, so I bought this bracelet for my Seiko Alpinist, and yes, I love the bracelet, but I'm gonna do another video of the positives and negatives. And obviously I have to state the negative part, well, at least one of it, in this video, because I really don't like the clasp on this thing. Yes, it is a very good clasp, very good diverse clasp, secure, thick, and very you can say that it's of a good, made of good material. However, in terms of its thickness and size and heft, it's just like the watch head. I mean, it's so heavy. So I'm gonna try on this smaller clasp, and I have been in contact with the customer service of Strapcode, asking questions for replacements, etc. And you know, this is not cheap at all. Yeah, so I'm hoping to get a better, feedback, or give a better feedback on this one, as this is smaller. Yeah, I think this is very promising. So like a Black Bay clasp, Black Bay 36 clasp. Here's my watch with the old clasp. And here it is with the new one. You will notice that the clasp is now slimmer, shorter, and doesn't distract too much from the bracelet or the watch. Yeah, thank you for watching.